What has the past year been like for you?
An opportunity.
New opportunity.
I'll say reflective.
Turbulent.
Eventful.
Eye-opening.
I think I felt a little confused.
Convenient.
Challenging.
Hectic.
It's a lot different.
It's boring. COVID.
شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن.
I'm sure that this lockdown has been and will continue to be a kind of torture for some people and an opportunity for others.
I mean, subhanAllah, who would have thought a year before that we'll be in this current situation?
We used to have around 300 people attending the Masjid, and Jummah, thousands of people coming together.
Life became just one long day with homeschooling, work, exercise when you could, and doing all the house chores which were multiplied.
It was almost like you had to rearrange your day to day. That psychologically did impact me in the beginning because I didn't know how to handle it. But alhamdulillah, with time, it's just adapting.
You sort of feel imprisoned, in your own home sometimes.
You can't go to the shops anymore like you'd normally do. There's only the food shops and essential shops open. I like the clothes shops.
We're only doing online lessons. Instead of getting up and going into the car and driving all the way to school, you can just get up, get ready and just log in.
What was last Ramadan like for you in lockdown?
Incomplete.
Bittersweet.
A challenge.
Amazing.
Depressing.
Private.
Quick.
It was nice.
Disconnected.
Ramadan wasn't complete for me because I wasn't in the masjid, I wasn't helping out, I wasn't being in the community.
Taraweeh in the masjid during Ramadan was my favourite time of the year. But now that we're praying at home, it's a type of challenge.
It gave my children, my boys, an opportunity to lead some of the Taraweeh as well.
We'd normally go to the masjid and listen to the lectures, but this time we couldn't do that. You had to watch them on the TV.
Because we're fasting, we'll wake up, we'll be there for Fajr and we pray Fajr together. I found it easier than what we do at the mosque. I usually fall asleep.
Have you started to prepare for this Ramadan?
Yes, I have, yeah.
I'm not prepared for Ramadan.
Yes, I have started preparing for Ramadan.
No, I don't feel like I've prepared for Ramadan this year.
Yes.
No, not yet.
Yeah.
No.
No.
I think even better time to start learning the Quran and memorizing the Quran is now in the lead up to Ramadan.
Doing voluntary fast, you could say, that's the starting point for me.
Started memorising the 30th juz.
This is one advice one of my friends gave to me, which was to focus more on each action. It improves how you feel. You feel a lot more present, feel a lot more conscious, and it has a greater effect, especially during the prayer.
I'm going to start making less mistakes in my Quran class.
What role does the Quran play in your life?
A big role.
It's my life.
Life.
Essential.
Special.
Reassurance.
Reassurance.
It's a manual.
Guidance.
I say guidance.
A guidebook.
If I don't read Quran, if I don't ponder on Quran, I would consider myself as dead.
It somehow always is what I need it to be.
It's got all the answers for all of your problems.
Reciting the Quran can be sort of something you do when you feel down or when you feel like you need to center yourself or you need spiritual grounding.
It helps you do what's good in life. It helps me be a polite and caring person and lead a good life.
How do you think you could improve your relationship with the Quran?
Probably read it more and understand what it's trying to say.
Keep on practicing. When I do Quran lessons with my dad, I find it hard, but I keep on repeating it, and then that's how I learn it.
to make sure that I give to the Quran the time it deserves, meaning making sure that there isn't a day that passes that I don't open the book of Allah.
They could start reading it more.
If I start small, like doing 1 page a day, and then work my way up to doing a lot more, inshallah.
The things that are your highest priorities will take up the most of your time. So there's no point of us saying the Quran is my #1 priority, but we don't put any time towards it, because our actions are telling the truth even more than our words.
I will be joining
Green in Masjid.
Ramadan Revolution.
To improve my relationship with the Quran.
1 page at a time.
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 1 page and 1 line and 1 ayah at a time.